Galaxy S23 Ultra is the best-selling premium Android phone. Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra was the best-selling premium Android smartphone in Q1 2023. The base Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus followed it as the second and third most popular Android phones in the premium segment priced at $500 or more. Samsung devices captured the top 5 spots with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Flip being the other two models, in that order. The Galaxy S23 series was the preferred choice of Android buyers in Q1 in 2023. According to research firm Canalys, the premium or high-end smartphone segment witnessed an unusual growth in shipment in the first 3 months of the year. While the overall market declined more than 13% year-over-year, the demand for the priciest phones never dipped. Instead, this segment bucked the global trend by growing 4.7% year-over-year. Almost 1 out of every 3 smartphones sold globally between January and March 2023 was priced at $500 or higher. As usual, Apple's latest iPhones sold like hotcakes everywhere. The 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 were the top 3 best-selling premium phones globally this past quarter. The discounted iPhone 13 captured the 4th spot on this chart. Following the 4 apples is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, making it the best-selling Android phone in this segment in Q1 2023. The base Galaxy S23 sits in the 7th spot, sandwiched between the iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 12. The Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy Z Flip 4 make up the top 10. Apple may have a lion's share in the premium segment, but Samsung still leads the overall smartphone market globally. However, the gap between the top 2 firms is closing down fast. Samsung's share dropped from 24 in Q1 2022 to 22 this past quarter. On the other hand, Apple managed to grow from 18 to 20. 1 years to grow from 18 to 21 during the same period. It remains to be seen if the iPhone maker takes the lead in the coming quarters or if Samsung fights back strongly. Not only was the Galaxy S23 Ultra the highest-selling Android phone of the year, it was also just rated and given the crown of the highest-rated Android phone in the latest survey. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is Samsung's highest-rated Galaxy SE series flagship yet. An analysis by the product recommendation site Perfect Rec shows that the phone received 5-star reviews from 86 of its users. The site collected data from over 388,000 user reviews on Google in May. The Galaxy S23 series received much better reviews than its predecessor. All 3 models topped the recent Galaxy S series flagships. The 5-star review share of the base Galaxy S23 came in at 75, while that of the Galaxy S23 came in at 75, while that of the Galaxy S23 Plus is 86. The Ultra is the only phone in the lineup to ever breach the 80 mark. The previous high was 79s achieved by the Galaxy S10 5G in 2019 and Galaxy S6 Edge in 2019 and Galaxy S6 Edge in 2015. Things are looking good for Samsung as their flagship device continues to trend up. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for all the latest mobile technology news and reviews.